Welcome. In front of me is the Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this. To get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and tap on this pencil and find somewhere a screen recording toggle. So once you find it, what you want to do is basically hold it. This will make it so you can move it. I'm going to drag it over to the top right here and then simply click on Done. So now it is accessible through the notification panel. From here, you can simply tap on it, allow whatever it wants. Okay, and this will automatically start recording. As you can see, there's a toggle for the microphone, so you can disable or enable it depending if you want it. And now whatever you will do will be recorded. Now once you're done with the recording, click on the square right there, and from here you can find the recording in your gallery application. So let's tap on next, and there it is. So that is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.